What's up, guys? Are you planning a killer Halloween party? Well, we got you covered with 3 awesome munchies. We've got Necronomicon sliders, Cryptic Coconut Shrimp, and Where the Slime Live Nachos.
Hell yeah.
We're gonna show you how to make these. This is fantastic for a Halloween party. If you're planning a horror movie night, killer food. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Starting with the Cryptic Coconut Shrimp, make sure that you get something of good quality, shelled and deveined. We're gonna give it a little bit of a rinse, pat it dry. Now for the dredge. We're gonna be using some all-purpose flour, some panko, give it a quick smash. Shredded coconut is coming up next. Season with black pepper, a little bit of sea salt, garlic powder, and give it a good mix. Now we're gonna beat some eggs for the egg wash. Shrimps are going in. First flour, give it a quick bath, and for the panko and coconut. And repeat until all your shrimps are nice and coated. We are ready to fry. Don't stack them too close together. You're gonna pop them in. Make sure you keep a good eye on them, and every now and then take them out and give them a quick spray. You're gonna repeat this until they're looking fantastic. Those are looking freaking awesome. Nice and crispy. Now for your sauce, you're going to be using chili garlic sauce, apricot jam, dark soy sauce. Give that a good mix. You can add a little bit of filtered water to thin it out, but that is looking fine for us.
All right, folks, going with the Necronomicon sliders. Look at these. Starting with our aioli. Gonna go with a light mayonnaise, garlic, then some mustard, piri-piri sauce, and some yellow hot pepper paste. Mix that up good, add some salt, pepper, give it a stir, and that's the consistency you want. Now for our onions, we're gonna caramelize them, slice them up into thin slices, just like that. Going with Laura's lean beef to keep the calories low. Season, garlic powder, Worcestershire sauce, onion powder, salt, oregano, pepper. Give it a mix. Don't overmix it, keep it loose. There's the buns, King Hawaiian. We're gonna cut a sheet of paper to size so we can make our meat slab. About that big. Work this into a meat slab. We can see our Necronomicons taking shape. But we're missing one thing. We need the eyeball. There we go. Summon fire. We're gonna caramelize some onions. Throw some coconut oil in there. Toss in your onions. We're gonna punish these to hell. Worcestershire sauce. Don't be shy. Tabasco. Butter. Season with some pepper, salt, but you can't forget, once you get some color on here, the beer. We went with an Oktoberfest. Add that in. Look at that shit. Mix, add some bone broth, and then we're gonna reduce. Keep stirring, make sure you pull up the fond and mix that in, and then you get this great caramelized texture. Meat slabs going in the oven. We're gonna split the Hawaiian rolls. Those are going in the oven too. We're gonna get some great toasted color on them. Hit them with the non-stick. Meat slabs coming out. Bread's going in. Look at that. Perfect. Get your aioli, spread it on. Don't be shy. We're gonna add our meat slab. Necronomicon's got the home to go. Add in your caramelized onions. Don't forget your pickled jalapenos. Throw on your top and split. Perfect for sharing, perfect for horror movies. Look at that. Necronomicon sliders.
Now to complete the platter, we're going with our Where the Slime Live nachos. Start with our onion. Chop this baby up nice and fine. Tomato. Don't forget your jalapeno. Cilantro. Unless you hate it, then you don't have to put it in, but we like it. Green onion. Beans and corn, give it a quick rinse, and going in. Grab some lime, squeeze the hell out of it, a little bit of olive oil, fresh garlic paste, and give it a nice mix. Don't forget your black pepper, little salt, and some chili flakes. Give it a nice mix. Now that we've got our pico, we're going to be working on our cream sauce. So grab some cilantro, jalapeno, tomatillos going in. Give it some light sour cream, some Greek yogurt, garlic paste, and the juice of a fresh lime. And we pulverize. A little bit of salt, pepper, and give it a nice blend. Oh yeah. Our sauce is good to go. Now we're gonna bake our chips with some cheese. We used a low-calorie cheese and a lower-calorie baked chip. That's gonna go in the oven until the cheese is melted. And we're gonna layer with our salsa, our slimy cream sauce, and we stack.
Grab your sauce, throw on your coconut shrimp, get everything on your platter. Time to dig in, enjoy some horror movies, and have a Halloween party. Happy Halloween.
What do you want to try first?
I gave you a shrimp that had some sauce on it.
Blinky. Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween.
Bomb.
Oh, so good.
The apricot jelly with the garlic sauce.
It's sweet, it's spicy, it's crispy, it's delicious.
What do you want to do next?
Nachos?
I'm going in. Hold my legs. Look at
I
that.
should have just taken, what am I doing? Should have just taken the plate to you. I don't even care. I am so excited. It's really good. Dude, that crema sauce, that just makes everything okay.
What is your favorite horror movie on Halloween night?
So I have two. American Werewolf in London. I love that movie. I saw it, I think, the first time when I was like 4 years old. It scared the hell out of me. I had nightmares for like weeks. And since then, I watch it every Halloween. My other favorite Halloween movie is Hocus Pocus because it's just got all of the best Halloween feels. It just transforms you back into a little kid when you're trick-or-treating. The cast is great. The sets are amazing. It is just timeless. I watch it every Halloween, and every single time I watch it, it brings me right back to being a kid again.
My number one is Halloween. I'm just a John Carpenter fanboy. It's the quintessential example of a movie that shows you why you should be afraid of the dark. You're not okay walking around in your neighborhood at night, or even in your own home. So my other favorite is the remake of The Thing, just because of the practical effect. Every single thing in that movie was handmade.
It's so amazing.
It's mind-blowing. Now, what is your favorite Halloween-themed metal album?
I'm gonna think about that while I indulge in this beautiful cider.
Oh my God, dude.
That's amazing.
But you got
Yeah,
that
man.
perfect mix of savory, sweet, spicy. You have to make this.
Yeah, this is a good one, guys. During this time of year, I can tell you, I really love listening to Typo Negative. Can't go wrong with Cradle of Filth, really, any time of year. I love listening to King Diamond.
Like the video if you guys love these recipes. Subscribe if you're new. We'll see you in the next episode.
Happy Halloween!